So today we're preparing the ground, getting it all nice and flat and as level as possible before we start setting the stones. Part of that process, of course, isn't just setting the ground itself, but literally preparing the ground for the purpose to which it is being placed, which of course is to build me a temple here at the crossroads. So we're going to be doing a bit of singing and dancing, essentially, while we are working on it. Okay, so like I said, gotta make it flat. That begins here. We've got a bit of a hill here. Now, what I'm talking about with the singing and dancing, it isn't important how you do it. Of course, I'm using tongue writing speech to do it, but the essential part of what we're doing when we are preparing the ground is literally letting the land know what it is that it is being prepared for. This is a way of speaking intent, but also creating cooperation within your environment. This is the same reason that when we pick the herbs for a spell, we want to tell the herbs what they are being picked for and what it is that they are going to do. So with that in mind, I'm going to go ahead and get back to it here. I may as well show you the proper way to use a pickaxe. So the proper way to use a pickaxe is all the way down here at the bottom. You bring your other hand all the way to the top, like so. And then when you swing the pickaxe, you push this hand up and let the weight drop it down, like so. And that allows the pickaxe itself and the weight of it to do the work rather than requiring your muscles to do the heavy force. Okay, due to local regulations, the shelter cannot be any bigger than 10 feet by 10 feet. So what we're going to do, pick the center here. And see how close to that we can get. Which means we put the center right about here. And we see how far 5 feet out is from there. Probably you're going to wind up being even smaller than that. That's plenty. 5 feet. That's all the way to here on this side. And that get me all the way to here on this side. Looks like we have enough space for what we want to do. Just about right. Okay, so we went ahead and measured our area. Now we're going to delineate it just a bit with some of these rocks here. 5 feet. Five feet. 5 feet. All right. So now I know more clearly what I'm doing. Gives us a clear idea of what we're up to. proper way to use a trench shovel. You can't actually, it's a pretty small head, you can't actually lift up a lot with this type of shovel. So that's the actual real easy thing. You just grab it and chuck it. That's how they dig a trench so fast. Get a momentum going. And I want to have the inside, the center, in some, because the whole thing is going to be, with each layer that we do of stones, each one's going to be in a little bit closer than the next. And we probably won't get all the way up with stones. We'll see. That's okay.